Dear friends, I'm Dr. D.K. Garg, a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram area at Iconic Clinic. In this video, I will discuss 5 reasons because of which you must consider liposuction procedure. I hope that you will find this video useful. First reason you should consider liposuction procedure is because this procedure allows you to remove fat without any obvious scars or incisions. In liposuction procedure, we actually remove fat physically from under your skin by making use of very small excess holes which are just 3 to 4 millimeters in diameter. Through these small puncture wounds, we take out fat from various areas of your body. This fat removal is permanent, and because of that, the benefits and improvements which you achieve with liposuction procedure are long lasting in nature. So if you are looking to remove fat from particular area of your body which is bothering you, then this procedure can help you remove that fat without leading to any scarring. Second reason you should consider liposuction procedure is liposuction procedure can provide contour improvement or enhancement even in those people who are at their normal or little above normal weight. Many of us believe that liposuction procedure is only meant for obese or grossly overweight people. It's not true. We have seen that many of our patients who are normal weight or who are just little above their normal weight, they have some body parts which have excess fat or is not in right proportion to their remaining physique or body. This extra fat can be on the side handles on the tummy area. It can be sometimes in lower tummy area. In case of women, it can be on their arms, thighs, or buttocks. So if you think that you are at your normal weight and hence you may not be suitable for liposuction procedure, it's not true. Liposuction procedure can be useful procedure even in those individuals who are at their normal or little above normal weight. So if you're looking to remove some particular fat pocket or want to enhance body shape and you are at your normal weight, yes, even then you can consider liposuction procedure. Third reason you should consider liposuction procedure is liposuction results or body contouring results are long lasting. So if you think that post liposuction improvement or benefits or inch loss which happened with this procedure will be short term, or if you need to maintain it, you need to do some special exercise or need to follow some special diet, it's not true. Liposuction results and the improvements which happened after this, they are long lasting as long as your weight is stable and you do not need to follow any particular diet or exercise routine. Although it is recommended that healthy lifestyle enhances your health, but liposuction results do not need any special exercise or diet to maintain its longevity or to maintain results over a long period of time. Fourth reason, which can be important for you, is we have seen that many of our patients are not able to initiate the changes which they want in their life. Many of them are not able to initiate lifestyle modifications which they very much want to do. This procedure, by giving you a single step significant improvement, it gives you that confidence and motivation to start making those changes in your life. Liposuction procedure, by improving body contour and leading to inch loss, it gives you motivation and confidence to initiate those changes which you have been wanting to do in your life for a very long time. So liposuction procedure can be a confidence enhancement procedure also. Fifth reason to consider liposuction procedure is this is very safe procedure. Safety in this procedure is ensured by two facts. One, you should always choose a qualified and trained plastic surgeon to get this procedure done. While choosing a trained and qualified plastic surgeon, it's also important to understand that this procedure is performed in a center which is fully equipped and ready to handle all kind of procedures and complications. When this procedure is performed on a right kind of candidate by a qualified and trained plastic surgeon, liposuction is a very safe procedure. Thousands and thousands of such procedures are performed world over in safe and effective manner. So, if you are considering this procedure, you will be happy to know that when performed by a trained and qualified plastic surgeon, this procedure is a very safe procedure. I hope that you found this video useful. If you have any more queries regarding liposuction procedure, please feel free to get in touch with us on phone, email, WhatsApp, or on our pages on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. We'll be very happy to help you. You can also post your comments in our YouTube channel. We'll be able to reply them and reach out to you. Thank you very much.